tjena! Fan.
Listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I've views, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. Of my views, that's on you. I'll be on a flight soon to the end. I sing you. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? Better getting with my own medicine for you. I'm never gonna make them think I'll stand there. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do. Free as the wind and as strong as a piece of amber. Give me a breath like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh. I'll be on a flight soon to the end. I'm singing. Ooh. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do. Free as the wind and as strong as a piece of amber. Give me a breath like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh. I'll be on a flight soon to the end. I'm singing. Ooh. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know let loose. Don't mind if I do.
This is the top level of the midnight meet. There is about 20 cars on the show-off. As you can see, a lot of people. We are gonna go further down and film some more cars soon. What you have seen before this is the music bit, but now we're gonna actually check out some cars without the music.
Jag börjar inte gilla det.
Isak, säg något kul!
Finns inte mycket kul att säga rödblock.
Det är bra alltså, du är fan kung alltså.
Nej.
Isak är kung. Here we have a Nissan Stagea. Amazing looking car, BMW, air suspension. Going over to the Evo. This BMW is freaking amazing. So good looking. Här har vi slipern på träffen. Isaks monster. Alltså, det ska bli kul att se hur mycket effekt det blir. It's gonna be fun to see how much power this car is gonna get. It's gonna be so fun. That's a small turbo, but it's good for high power. Ultimate toy. A fun toy. BMW on air. R1, interesting. An RR, black edition, a safety car, and a lot of BMWs. But honestly, this is the coolest car on the meet. I love this car. It's fucking cool. It's so cool. And Honda Civic, yay! This Honda Civic is in really good condition. I know the owner and she's taking good care of this car. You can clearly see on the rims that she's taking good care of the car. No scratches. The wide body on this one is actually really nice. And the wing is proper on this one. I like this car. And this is the Panda kit and air suspension. This color is amazing. This is a really good color. This is a car you don't see often today. This is not a regular car in Sweden. And an Evo. This is a lot of people's dream car. This is a stock Nissan S15. You never see a stock S15. This is a spec R too. This is amazing to see. So amazing. Then the Chaser, the ultimate fucking dream car. Built for everything, drifting, racing, everything you can do with this. And the Mazda. We have a Stagea too. One more Stagea, RS4. And an old Nissan Datsun, a 280. I think this Supra has a very unique interior actually. This interior is yellow and blue and grey. Interesting. Everybody loves a BMW M2.
Stretchad.
Man lever i 900 fortfarande. Så man lever.
Ja, vi går och listar det. Så får vi gå med. En fel film du får vara. Det ska vara 40 sidor på. Bra, det får vara så.
Fort han kör. Aldrig var en sorts, det är alltid sex. Mycket mer häst än vad ni tror ni. This is Isaac. He drives a B230 with a GT30. Flutter. 0.5 bars of turbo. Mazda MX-5. Nissan S15, Spec R, Evo 7 or 8. Vad sån är det där bakom? A Toyota Chaser.
Kom ut ja.
Det är bra, han har appen. Måste filma också.
Där kan du stå. Och så ingen slår på.
Ja, men jag tänkte inte ens på vad tiden var.
Nu ska du lyssna på den här.
fan grönmetallic ju. Där ser du formerna, konturerna på.
Jo, ja.
Häftigt ju.
Tjena.
Tja, vänta.